Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi toggle is enabled in settings. Next, plug in an Ethernet cable or enable a hotspot so you retain internet while changing settings. Open Device Manager and note the exact name of your wireless adapter. You'll need it for driver actions. Once done, right-click the adapter to disable, then enable it. This quick reset often brings the network icon back and verifies hardware responsiveness. Now you dig into drivers and services. Update or reinstall the wireless driver. Try the Device Manager update, then install the OEM package if available. While installing, press Windows plus R type services. MSC and confirm WLAN autoconfig is running and set to automatic so Windows can manage Wi-Fi. If drivers and services look correct but no icon appears, run Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network Reset. This clears adapters and restores default profiles, which often repairs corrupted configs. Finish by restoring network resolution and power settings. Open command prompt as admin and run ipconfig/flushtons, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to refresh IP assignments. This fixes stale configs. Make sure adapter power saving is disabled in Properties Configure Power Management so Windows won't turn off the radio. If the Wi-Fi icon still won't show, try creating a new local user or use system, restore to revert recent updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.